Welcome to the Idaho Transportation Permits System, also known as ITRPS, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps of uploading a vehicle spreadsheet using the vehicle import function in ITRPS at www.permitsforidaho.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the ITRPS user tutorial videos link. The vehicle spreadsheet will need to have the unit number, year, make, VIN, license plate, and license plate state information. Please note that it is recommended to enter the full VIN as well as to enter the make of the vehicle, the same as it is on the vehicle registration. To begin the process, click the menu button at the top of the company dashboard to display the administrative panel. Then click the Vehicle Import link. The Import Vehicle Inventory screen will be displayed. In order for a permit service to upload a vehicle inventory, a company will need to be selected. Select US DOT number or company name from the drop-down list and enter either the US DOT number or company name in the text field. As you type, a list of results will be displayed in the Records Found section. Select either the DOT or name hyperlink from the Records Found list for the company that is needing the vehicle import. Please note that the company name will be listed under the Search By fields once the company has been selected. If a company is not selected, the vehicle inventory will be uploaded to the Permit Service account, and the uploaded vehicles will not be available in the unit number drop-down list during permit ordering for that specific company. Click the Browse button and choose the file from your computer containing the required information. Then click the Upload File button. This will display the Import Vehicle Inventory Step 2 screen and list the information from the uploaded file. Make sure the unit number, year, vehicle make, VIN, license plate number, and license plate state column drop-downs match the column number on the uploaded spreadsheet. For example, the unit number drop-down should reflect which column the unit numbers are listed in on the spreadsheet. Refer to the Preview section on the Import Vehicle Inventory Step 2 screen to check that the column numbers match the spreadsheet columns. So if the unit number is actually listed in column 3, the drop-down should read column 3. You will also need to indicate which row your information starts. In this example, row 1 contains the column headers from the uploaded spreadsheet. Therefore, the vehicle information starts on row 2. Select row 2 from the drop-down list. Once you verify that all the information is correct, click the Import Sheet button to proceed with the vehicle import process. The Vehicle Import Results screen will be displayed listing the number of vehicles successfully imported and the number of failures. You can choose to return to the dashboard if the upload was successful or view the details of any failures listed. If there are any failures listed, click the View Load Failures button. The uploaded spreadsheet will be displayed listing the specific vehicles that failed. Failures are typically caused by not selecting the appropriate rows and columns and the corresponding information. You will need to repeat the upload process, making sure to select the appropriate information to correct any failures. Once the upload is complete and there are no failures, click the Return to Dashboard link to return to the company dashboard. Verify the vehicles were uploaded by clicking the menu button at the top of the company dashboard to display the administrative panel. Then click the Company Data link. Please note that permit services can verify the vehicles were uploaded during the permit application process on the Truck and Vehicle Load Information screen. Under the Company Assets section, the uploaded vehicles will be listed in the drop-down list in the Vehicles section. Clicking the document icon to the right of the New button will display the uploaded vehicle spreadsheet. When ordering a permit that requires vehicle information, the unit numbers will be located in the Vehicle Inventory drop-down list. Select the vehicle to be permitted from the drop-down list, and the other required vehicle information, such as the make and VIN, will automatically populate based on the data previously imported. This concludes the ITRPS user tutorial video on importing vehicles via spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.